Dr. Anna Evangelista. I'm a civil engineer and I'm working at EIT as civil engineer course coordinator. I'm also teaching bachelor's degree students, also master's students, and currently I'm supervising different doctorate students. On top of that, I'm also the work integrated learning course coordinator. Since I completed my bachelor's degree in civil engineering, I just realized that I needed to become more confident and how we can improve our confidence to work as a structural engineer. So at this stage, I just decided to continue my qualification and I joined the master course. And when I joined the master course, I worked in some experimental program at the university at that time, and I got the opportunity to apply for the position. And I really enjoy the academic environment, so it's an also opportunity to combine research and teaching. So that's why I really love my career, and that's why I just decided to continue my qualification. I completed my PhD, and I'm teaching engineering since a long time ago. During my lectures, I use it to bring some real-life examples. There are plenty of case studies around the globe, and also it's quite important to share with students iconic projects from the past, like Tour Eiffel, Coliseum, and Burj Al Khalifa. And another point is to just sometimes we can invite guest lecturers and also bring students to site visits or bring students to their lab, so we can also connect what the industry is doing and why students need to learn a specific topic. At EIT, we always try to offer students practical components in our units, and one of my favorite units is the Advanced Engineering Materials. During this unit, we have opportunities to bring students to our lab, and during the workshops we can conduct some concrete testing. One of our favorite tests is the compressive strength test of concrete, and also we need to do some stress strain curves for different types of materials. We normally use this machine for this type of application. Yes, one of my doctorate students, he is very keen to work on the codes for Ethiopian in order to make the high-rise buildings safer when it's a situation of earthquake and it's not predicted at the current codes. Engineers, we always need to be up to date and upskill, so it's very important to be proactive at this stage and also have an open mind, and a very important skill is to be a self-learning person. At EIT, we have plenty of opportunity to engage with the students in different parts of the globe. So it's great to offer the students who live in remote areas opportunity to improve their qualification. Also, it's quite interesting to get some examples from different countries when we want to discuss some case studies in our units. So at EIT, we are multicultural. And the other thing that's quite important is to highlight the EIT. We focus on engineering. So our courses are based on what the industry is asking us at the moment. It's based on industry demand. So engineering is adaptability and flexibility.